Yeah? Okay, alright.
I went on Instagram, which I never do, and there was this young man called Mohi, right? If you were here early, you might have seen him on stage. Yeah, what he did is he sang my song, not Talenka, right? But he flipped it, so he sang it first in English, then he sang it in Maori, went back and forth, and it gave me goosebumps, it kind of blew my mind, right? So
we'll see what happens. Who knows what's gonna happen, right? But it might be an honor if he comes out, you know? Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Nah, thanks for having us.
Great. So we're just trying to figure out the best way of doing it, basically. First chorus is how you just did it. Second one then comes off the second verse. And that breaks down so there's no drums in it. And I think that's the right place for it to go to.
Okay. Yeah.
But it sounds amazing.
Yeah? Okay, alright. Oh, thank you. I was stressing about that one, bro. Bro, straight up, I was like, the cuz were just talking to me like normal person.
Yeah.
They just made that call like yesterday, to do it. Yeah, no, he asked for it. He goes, and if at the end, I might want it to be Māori. I go, just tell me to f***ing jump it.
I really can't express to you what it's like to be in New Zealand, man. This is really like the place I wish I lived.
Short of the discussion, roots can't maneuver out of nothing. I've been suffering them dreamy days on, remedying lust on, holding in memories of us. Hold you every day till the memories are done. Big up Mohi, man!
Born and bred, made attempts to call away, find a way to exist and hide your face on relay. Leave everything in yesterday.
Yo, one more fucking time, man. Yo, make some noise for Mohi one time.
Born and bred, made attempts to crawl away, find a way to exist and hide your face, some relay, leave everything in yesterday.
Make some noise for Mohi, man.